लाडली लाल की जय। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। बरहापीडं नटवरवपु कर्णयो कर्णिकारं बिभ्रद्वासः कनककपिशं वैजयन्तीं च माला रन्ध्रान्वेनो रधरसुधया पूरयन् गोपवृन्दै वृन्दारण्यं स्वपदरमणं प्राविशद्गीतकीर्ति। नमः कमलनाभाय नमः कमलमालिने नमः कमलपादाय नमस्ते कमलेक्षण यो ब्रह्माणं बिरधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदांश्च प्रहिणोति तस् तद्ध्वं हदेवमात्मबुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये। बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। Dearest devotees, divine souls, first let me say Radhe Radhe to each and everyone, and my pranam, my humblest prostrations to all of you. Welcome to Yugal Kunj. Today we start a series of Pad Vyakhyas, explanation of divine poetry written by Jagat Gurutam Sri Kripalu Mahaprabhu in his most divine book, Prem Ras Madira. Leading up to our grand celebration of Janmashtami, which will be celebrated in 29th, 30th August, not too long again. Leading up to that, so we will be listening to divine childhood spots, Bal Leela of Shri Krishna. Some of the sweetest divine spots of Shri Krishna are his Bal Leela. जो जगत पिता है वो किसी who is the father of the entire universe. He's plain the path of being the son, the child of someone. Nandanandan, Yashodanandan, Devaki Nandan, Kaushilyanandan, etc. Because of his causeless mercy, the Supreme Lord descends. Many, many reasons for his descension. But one of the most important, Bhakt Hetu Bhagavan Prabhu Ram Dhareu Tanu Bhoop Kiye Charit Pavan Param Prakrit Nara Anurup. For the sake of those who love him, his devotees, his bhaktas, the Supreme Lord takes a form, descends in this world. Every act he performs is supremely sacred, supremely purified. Yet he behaves like an ordinary human being. Prakrita Nara Anurup. So in these childhood spots, in this Bal Leela of Bhagavan Shri Krishna, we're going to see him behaving just like an ordinary child in the world. At times his divinity will be shown. At times it would appear that he's just like any other human child. Don't be confused. Shri Krishna has a power, divine power, called Yoga Maya. Kartum akartum madanyatha kartum samarthaha. This power of Yoga Maya, not Maya, Yoga Maya, Swarupa Shakti, Antaranga Shakti. This power makes the impossible possible. Through that power of Yoga Maya, when Shri Krishna came to Vrindavan, to Braj, little more than 5,000 years ago, first he made everyone forget. These are all, most of the people at that time in Vrindavan were divine entities, descended from Golok. He made everyone forget who they were and who he is. And then he made himself forget also. अपने आप को भुला दिया कि मैं भगवान हूँ, that I am Bhagwan, I am God. Because he wants to enjoy. If Yashoda Maiya knows that her child, her son is Bhagavan, God's supreme power, how is she going to threaten to tie him to the mortar or tie him to the mortar? Not just threaten, but tie him. Take a stick and threaten to beat him, scold him, etc. Impossible. She would put him on a beautiful throne and do arti all the time. It's impossible for us to do all of that. For his friends, the cowherd boys, to sit on his back and ride him like a horse. For the gopis to scold him, abuse him in the highest way, call him the worst names. All this is happening because he wants it. He wants to enjoy. In Golok, his divine abode, no one scolds and abuses him. There, only Ved mantras. Sahasra Shirikha Purukha Sahasraksha Sahasrapat Sabhumi Gwang Sarvatas Pritava Tyatishthadashangulam. These kinds of glorification. He's bored. How much can you one listen to the same thing over and over? We also get bored. If you're given the same thing to eat every day, someone keeps telling you all the time, you're so beautiful, you're so... in the beginning we like it. We love flattery. But how much we are going to change it a little bit? So in the same way, Shri Krishna is from beginningless time in his divine abode, is listening to all this Purush Sukta. Swastena Indro Bridhashravaha. This kind of thing all the time. So now when he comes on this earth, he is getting insults and abuse. And it's very sweet to him. So should we go and abuse Shri Krishna? Should we go before Bhagwan, Radha, Krishna and start cursing and abusing? No. What we are doing now, glorifying and loving, is great. When we reach the position of the gopis, then we can do that. Then he will enjoy it. Otherwise, he will send Sudarshan Chakra. Alright, so don't do it now. When we become deserving of that position. Anyhow, so I've chosen one of the paths from Premas Madira, Bal Leela, pad number 25, Premas Madira. Niratat, 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 Nanda Kumar, Nanda Ghar.
Niratat, Nanda Kumar, Nanda Ghar.
Girls, where are the girls? I sing low and I don't sing high. Niratat, Niratat, Nanda Kumar, Nanda Ghar.
Niratat, Nanda Kumar, Nanda Ghar.
Nanda Ghar.
Nanda Ghar.
Niratat, Nanda Kumar, Nanda Ghar.
Niratat, Nanda Kumar, Nanda Ghar.
तांडव नित्य करत जन शंकर
तांडव नित्य करत जनु शंकर।
हो तांडव नित्य करत जनु शंकर।
तांडव
हो यशोमती अजीर मझार नंद घर
यशोमती अजीर मझार नंद घर
हो वीर तत नंद कुमार नंद घर
निरतात नंद कुमार नंद घर
नंद घर नीरतत नंद kumar. Nand Kumar, the son of Nanda Baba, Sri Krishna, little boy. He is dancing Niratat in the home of Nanda Baba and Yashoda Maiya, of course. What kind of dance? Tandav Nritya. Tandav Nritya is a special dance of Shankar Bhagwan. His special dance. Shri Krishna normally, he's a good dancer also. He dances on Kalya Nag. He is topmost in dancing. But his speciality is not Tandav Nritya. But he is also showing that I and Shankar are one and the same. Shiv. We not understanding in the world, we make differences. We think that there are more than one Bhagavan. That Shankar Bhagavan is a different Bhagavan. Durga is a different Bhagavati. Radha Rani is a different Bhagavati. Ram is a different Bhagavan. Vishnu is a different Bhagavan, etc. No. Eko Deva Sarva Bhuteshu Gurha Sarva Vyapi Sarva Bhutantaratma Karma Dhyaksha Sarva Lokadivasa Sakshi Cheta Kevalo Nirgunascha. Shvetashvatara Upanishad chapter 6 verse 11. The Vedas are saying Eko Devaha. There's only one Bhagavan. Ek. But Anantanama Rupaya. That one Bhagavan has uncountable names, uncountable forms. And chota bada nahi hota. There is no big and small. Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnata Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. God is such an entity that if you subtract infinite from Him, He remains infinite. There's no big and small. The difference is how much leela, how many powers are exhibited, revealed. All the powers are in Him, no matter which form He takes. Whether He comes as Sri Ram, whether He comes as Krishna Bhagavan, whether He comes as Shiv, Durga, Lakshmi, Radha, all the powers are there. Shri Krishna is called Purna Avatar. Purna Avatar means all the powers are personified. In other avatars, some powers only are personified, the rest are latent. It doesn't mean they're not there.
hidden, latent. But in all the dissensions, all the powers are there. We should not see differences. It's according to what you want. If someone prays and loves God in the form of Shivji, he goes to Shivlok, he attains moksha. If someone loves God in the form of Durga, they go to Durga Lok. Someone loves God in the form of Sitaram, they go to Saket Lok. Someone loves God in the form of Vishnu Bhagavan, Lakshmi Narayan, they go to Vaikuntha. And if someone loves God as Radha Krishna, they go to Golok, the highest divine abode, the highest divine bliss. All attains God realization, but the extent and the sweetness of the bliss, different abode has varying amounts. The highest amount, the highest bliss is in Golok. So if one desires to attain the bliss of the gopis, that the gopis attained in Maharas, it is so high that even Shiv Bhagavan, he is Swayam Bhagavan, yet he becomes a gopi. वो खुद गोपी बन गया. He becomes a gopi to taste that bliss of Maharas. He had to become a gopi. So, Shri Krishna in this Bal Leela is showing us that he is Shiv himself also. The same Shiv. But he makes the Leela so sweet. भगवान के जितने चीजें हैं सब मीठा, मधुर मधुर. अधरम मधुरम वदनम मधुरम. Everything is madhur. His anger is also madhur. Krodho pite nugha eva sammatah. The Nag Kanyai, the wives of Kalya Nag, are saying to Sri Krishna in Bhagavad Mahapuran, even your krodh, your anger is the highest grace. Our husband is so blessed. So, Kanhaiya, he today is performing this very sweet pastime. Dancing in the courtyard of Yashoda Maiya, Nanda Baba. Yashumati Ajid Majhar, the courtyard, Ajid. And that special dance, Tandav Nitya. And he's looking like Shivji also. How? Niratat, Niratat, Nand Kumar, Nand Ghar.
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 Dhuri, Dhurit, Dhuri,
सरित तनोइमि सोहति
ओ धूरी धूसरित तनोइमि सोहति
धूरी धूसरित तनोइमि सोहति
जनु लेपित तनु छार नंद
जनुलेपित तनु छार नंद घर
जनु लेपित तनु छार नंद घर
जनुलेपित तनु छार नंद घर
निरतत निरतत नंद कुमार नंद घर
निरतत नंद कुमार नंद घर
धूरी धूसरित तनु इमि सोहति जनु लेपित तनु छार. So one thing about Shivji, he goes to Marnikarnika Ghat. There's a ghat in Varanasi, India, where they cremate dead bodies, cremation ground. And Shivji takes the ashes and he pastes it on his body. He pastes his entire body with the ashes of dead people. Everything seems to be inauspicious. But everything is auspicious, supremely. Mangal Bhavana Amangal Hari. Bhavan, Mangal Bhavan. The abode of auspiciousness. The one who takes out all Amangal, Amangal Hari. Shivji is taking all the Amangal. Our Amangal. We have so much Amangal in us. Greed, anger, jealousy, hatred, lust. This is the Amangal. एक विष है, poison. Anyhow, so Thakurji wants to look like Shivji. So he goes and rolls on the courtyard. All little children like to roll. Nowadays, the mom and dad, moms especially, don't let the kids go in and roll. When I was growing up, we had free time to go and roll as much as we want. It's a good thing. Good thing. You know, so much disease and sickness never affected us. If you look at people, how they were so strong and powerful in olden times. Why? The earth has special elements that the body needs. Iron, all these things are in the earth. Manganese, all these things. And when we go
walk bare feet and we roll in the mud and we do all these things, we absorb it through the skin. So we build up. Naturally, we don't have to take lots of vitamins and all these minerals. Nowadays, unless you don't give the kids some vitamin filled with all the minerals, big problem. We didn't have to do all of that. We already got it. Naturally. And now the mom says, hey, don't go there. Why are you rolling in the mud? Thakurji performed many leelas like this. He loved to roll in the mud. Maiya gets very angry. When Thakurji is rolling in the mud, oh, you must have been a pig in your past life. Suar! And Thakurji would hide his face and smile. Maiya is saying the truth. She doesn't know, but I was a pig. He specially came as a pig. Shukra avatar, Varaha avatar. He descended as a pig. So Thakurji hides and he smiles. Maiya doesn't know, but she's saying the truth. Plus, especially if the gopis have walked there, once the gopis were going to sell curd, yogurt. They're supposed to go to Mathura to sell all this curd, all this dahi, yogurt, butter, makhan. They tell their in-laws, the mother-in-law, etc., that we are going to Mathura. But where do they go? They go to the home of Nanda Baba. They go to the palace of Nanda Baba. And in Nanda Baba home, there are now 900 cows. 900 milking cows. And this is a cow of Dwapar Yuga, not Kali Yuga. Today, cows can hardly give 1 gallon of milk. Those cows used to give over 40 gallons of milk in one milking. And 900,000, there's no shortage of dahi, yogurt, makhan, fresh butter, etc. Yet they are going to the home of Nanda Baba to sell their products. So they go and they start saying, dahi for sale, yogurt for sale, makhan for sale, butter, etc. Hoping that Thakurji would come outside and they will have his darshan, they want to see him. Thakurji deliberately doesn't come outside. He stays, he's hearing them. He's hearing the gopis and they are calling with so much love. After a while, the gopis go in bhav. In that separation from Thakurji, from Sri Krishna, the gopis forget themselves. They go in a divine trance. And now they start saying, Damodar for sale, Gopal for sale, Govind for sale. Thakurji is smiling. Ye kya ho gaya? What happened to them? Anyhow, so Thakurji eventually, he can't stay forever. As much as the gopis want to see Thakurji, in the same amount he wants to see them. Ye yatha mam prapadyante tans tathaiva bhajamyaham. Chapter 4, verse 11, Gita. Shri Krishna says, as how much a devotee loves me, with whatever feeling, I return that love in the same amount with the same feeling. So as how much the gopis are yearning
to see Thakurji, Shri Krishna, he is yearning in the same amount to see them also. So he comes out eventually, and the gopis, they catch a glimpse. They are already in that high state of love, they have forgotten themselves, and now they get a glimpse of his divine form. What the gopis are seeing and what we see is something completely different. In every pore of the body of Shri Krishna, infinite bliss is flowing, infinite sweetness. जाकी रही भावना जैसी प्रभु मूर्ति देखी तिन तैसी. When we look at divine things, divine entities, how we are on the inside, we see in the same way, it gets reflected like a mirror. So if we were to see Kanhaiya, that little Shri Krishna in a baby form, we won't see what the gopis are seeing. We will see some boy, little boy or somebody. I have heard that this Yashoda Maya had a son and he is God, but I think my son is more handsome. I'm not so attracted to this little boy. He's nice, but because we don't have the right eyes, we can't see. But the gopis, they are seeing. Because the gopis have divine eyes. Chidanandamaya deha tumhari, vigat vikar jani adhikari. Just as God is divine, Chidanandamay, divine, his body is also Chidanandamay, divine. That's the body, but to see that body, you have to be adhikari. Vigata bikar, jani adhikari. You have to be divine. You have to have divine eyes. And the gopis, that's what they are seeing. Infinite bliss. So now the gopis, they go in total bhav. And they are holding all these pots in their head filled with makhan, with fresh butter, with dahi, yogurt, all these things, pots, all fall in the ground. All this dahi, all the butter, everything falls in the ground. And it creates a mess. Thakurji, number one, these gopis are standing there. He always wants to get the dust of the feet of those who love him. Nirapeksha munim shantam niravairam samadarshanam anubrajamyaham nityam puyetang ghire nubhi. 11 Canto, 14 chapter, 16 verse. Shri Krishna is saying to Uddhav in Bhagavad Mahapuran, I run after my fully surrendered saints, those who love me completely, to get the dust of their feet, so that I may become blessed. And who are the highest? Who can be higher than the gopis? Naradji says in Narad Bhakti Sutra, Yatha Gopika, Brja Gopika Naam. When it comes to love, the highest are how the gopis love Shri Krishna. Braja Gopika Naam. So Thakurji won the opportunity. He's going to get the dust of all these highest saints. And also to enjoy himself. So Thakurji goes and starts rolling in that. All the gopis have been standing there, and now all this is in the ground, this makhan and this dahi. And so Thakurji starts rolling.
And Maya happens to come out at the same time. She have heard a ruction outside because all these pots have fallen with a crash to the ground. She wonders what is happening. Maya, and then Thakurji suddenly disappeared. Kanhaiya, where did he go? So Maya comes outside and she sees Thakurji rolling in the mud. That has been created by the makhan, the dahi, etc. The yogurt that has been fallen on the ground from the pots. And Maya had just given Thakurji a bath, put on clean clothes, nice pitambar. She had dressed him so nicely and suddenly he's all filled with mud. And Maya gets angry. And Maya says, "You shukar! You must have surely been a pig in your past life." And Thakurji, of course, as I said, he smiles, turns his face away that Maya would not see, and thinks Maya is saying the truth, that she doesn't know. So Thakurji likes this dirt. Plus, it is the earth, Mother Earth. She's very dear to Thakurji, this earth. When the earth became overburdened by all these Rakshas kings in the age of Dwapar, the earth took the form of a cow and went first to Brahma, then they went to Shiva, and then finally they went to Kshir Sagar and prayed to Bhagwan. And Bhagwan said, "I will come." So he had come for her. One of the reasons he came was for her. So he loves her also. So he loves to roll in the mud, in Mother Earth. She is very dear to him. So Thakurji has covered now from head to toe in the dust from the courtyard of Nanda Baba, Yashoda Maya. And so he's looking just like Shivji. Shivji, he's always Karpura Gauram Karunavataram. That he has pasted this ashes and he looks white like camphor, his body. Safed, white, Karpura Gauram. Karpur means camphor. White like the camphor. Thakurji now is looking exactly like that. Niratat Nanda Kumar Nanda Ghar
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 Gal Vishal Gal Vishal Kamalan ki mala
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 Mund mal Anuhar Nand Ghar
Mund mal Anuhar Nand निरतात नंद कुमार नंद घर.
Another thing about Shivji, he has a special garland. Mundamal. Mundamal means a garland of skulls. Head, skull. So whose skull are these that he has around his neck? Is told in Shiv Puran, etc. Once this question was asked, and Shivji said to Parvati, every time, uncountable times, we have taken dissension. When you come as Sati, I come as Shiva and you come as Sati, your father is Daksh Prajapati, and going against my order, you attend a yagna where I will be insulted, abused, and for that you will destroy yourself by jumping into that yagna, that havan, kund. You are very dear to me, so every time this happens, I collect the skull and I place it in my neck. This is how the mala, this is why Shivji, those skulls belong to Durga, Sati. It's not anybody's skull he's wearing. So, and you may say uncountable, but it doesn't look, it keeps replacing. For us, we will only see maybe 108 or something, but with the divine eyes, you will see uncountable, if you have the right eyes. So, Thakurji, he is wearing a mala also, a garland. But the garland has kamal, the flowers, the lotus flower. Lotus flower pretty big, right? If you know the lotus flower. So he's wearing today this mala made of lotus flower only. Kamal ka phool. And they are pretty big. So by looking at that, if you look from a distance, it seems, and because he has buried himself, so all the flowers gotten covered by dirt also, so it's all white. Everything is white with the dirt. So those are looking like skulls also. So just as Shivji has this garland of skulls, which is Durga, around his neck, Thakurji also is wearing this garland with this huge lotus flower. So it seems as though they are looking, Thakurji in every way is looking like Shivji. He's white with all the dirt, he's dancing the Tandav Nritya, the special dance of Shiv Bhagwan, and the garland of lotus flower, they are looking like garland of skulls.
निरतात नंद कुमार नंद घर
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 मोर पंख मिस का कालकूट विष
मोर पंख मिस कालकूट विष
मोर पंख मिस कालकूट विष
मोर पंख मिस कालकूट विष
रहे शीश निज धार नंद घर
रहे शीश निज धार नंद घर
रहे शीश निज धार नंद
रहे शीश निज धार नंद घर
ओ निरतत निरतत नंद कुमार नंद घर
निरतत नंद कुमार नंद घर
To another thing very special to Shivji, he likes poison. Two times he drinks poison. दो बार पिए. Once in Kshir Sagar Manthan, and once where Putana came to kill Kanhaiya. So one is Kalkut Vish and one is Halahal. Very dangerous poison. Ahovakiyam stanakalakutam jighansaya paya yadapya sadhvi lebhe gatim dhatuchitam tatonyam kamvadayalum sharanam brajem. This verse from Bhagavad is saying, who else is so merciful, in whom I can take complete shelter, other than the Supreme Lord Shri Krishna, who gave even Putana a high place of a mother in his divine abode, even though she had come to suckle the divine child with a poisonous breast with the intention to kill him. So, when Putana came, she was sent by Kans to kill all children in Braj. So Thakurji inspired Putana, come to me directly. Don't go and kill my friends. Then who will I play with? So Thakurji, who is in the heart of everyone, he is sitting in the heart of Putana also. He said to Putana from inside, come. You looking for me? Come directly. Putana had disguised herself very beautiful. Param Sundari. When Putana came to Nandagram, when she came to Vrindavan, Gokul at that time, so Thakurji was only 6 days old. Chhati. 6 days. Everyone saw this very beautiful lady Nobody did just stare at her. They got lost. They've never seen someone so beautiful. They thought this must be some Devi, maybe Mahalakshmi herself. So beautiful. She walked straight into the room where Thakurji was lying in his cradle. No one even thought about asking her, well, who are you? Hey lady, what is your name? Where have you come from? No, she just walked straight in. And she took Thakurji and placed him to the breast. Thakurji, the moment she placed him on her breast, he closed his eyes. आँख को बंद किया. अब बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि वो डर गए. ये राक्षसी, वो जानते हैं कि ये चुड़ैल है. So many people not understanding the high philosophy, deeper philosophy, they have written and they have said in their commentary, it's not written in Bhagavad, but they have commented on this. Why did he close his eyes? That he knows, because he's Bhagavan, that this is a demoness. And so he got scared. And he closed his eyes that he could not see her. No. The saints have told us, the Rasik saints have told us different. At that time, Thakurji, why did he close his eye? He called Shivji. You see, at the time of Kshir Sagar Manthan, when they were churning the ocean of divine milk, where Mahavishnu resides, the Rakshas, the demons, and the Devatas, celestial gods, were churning the ocean. The first thing came out, halahal vish. Such a dangerous poison, the tiniest drop would destroy the entire universe. Everyone started falling on. All the Devatas, all the Rakshas, the demons started falling on unconscious. At that time also Bhagavan closed his eyes and said, Shiv, come. Save your children. So Shivji came and he drank that poison. And he kept it in the throat. And his throat, gale, turned blue from the poison. Now imagine something white like camphor. The entire body white, and in the middle there is a sapphire like blue like sapphire. It became like a jewel. So Shivji was given a new name, Neelakant. This has happened from beginningless time. This name is found in Vedas. Neelagriva Shitikantha Yajurved. So it means from beginningless time, Shivji had this blue throat. So here also, this poison that Putana had on her breast, the name of it was Kalakut. That any child would just touch their mouth, they don't have to drink it. Oh, piya nahi. Bas choo liya. Just touch the mouth to that poison and that child will die. Such a poison. So here also Thakurji closed his eyes and said to Shivji, Are Shiv, you like poison. Aapka khana hai vish aur mera khana hai doodh. You like poison and I like milk. So you come, we'll both drink at the same time. You drink the poison and I will drink the milk. So was there two different mouths? No, one mouth. One Bhagavan. One, remember there's only one Bhagavan. So a Shivji, the same mouth. Oki muh, one mouth. But a Shivji, he's drinking the poison, wo Kalakut pire. And with one mouth, the same mouth, he's Krishna Bhagavan. He's drinking the milk from the best of Putana. It's not too easy to understand. Trying to make it as simple as possible. So Shivji, he drinks the poison and he gets blue throat. He keeps it in the throat. Now Thakurji, how is he going to look like Shiv? So he has more punk. He has a peacock feather. In his crown, he has a crown and a peacock feather. And if you look at the peacock feather, in the middle, there's a circle like blue. So that's like poison also. Shivji has blue throat. Thakurji decided, I'm not going to keep it in my throat. I don't want to keep this poison in my throat. There's a reason. We'll hear. Thakurji decides, no, I'm going to keep it outside. Shivji keeps in the throat. He likes poison, but I don't like poison. Otherwise, why would he call Shivji at that time when Putana came to drink the poison? So it means Thakurji doesn't like poison. Vish ko acha nahi lagta. So Thakurji decided to keep the poison outside. So he keeps the poison in the more punk.
निरतत नंद कुमार नंद घ
निरतत नंद कुमार नंद घर
निरतत नंद कुमार नंद घर
निरतत नंद कुमार नंद घर
के हरि नख मिस शशिधरि कंठ है
के हरि नख मिस शशिधरि कंठ ही
ओ के हरि नख मिस शशिधरि कंठ ही
के हरि नख मिस शशिधरि कंठ ही
थल बल उचित विचार नंद घर
थल बल उचित विचार नंद घर
ओ थल भल उचित विचार नंद घर
थल भल उचित विचार नंद घर
ओ निरतत नंद कुमार नंद घर
निरतत नंद कुमार नंद घर
So Thakurji, Maya has given him a very special ornament to wear. Kehari is a tiger. So the nail of a tiger, these animals, they can destroy with their nails, their claws, so long and sharp. Well, someone must have fallen out somewhere. No. Everything that Thakurji has, Shri Krishna has, is divine. It looks material. Every piece of cloth, of clothing, every ornament, everything he wears is Chinmay, divine. Some saint, some Mahapurush has gotten that great opportunity, that blessing to become some ornament, some clothing. The earrings, the nose ring, all the rings, all his kachani, everything. These are all divine. These are all saints. Are his basuri, that murli, that flute he plays, it is Shiv Bhagwan. Everything is Chinmay, divine. So, it may look like to just the nail of a tiger. As people in the world, they wear these things also around their neck. But Thakurji is not wearing it like that. This is a divine thing. It is so beautiful. And it is shining. It looks like the moon. If you look at the claw, it's shaped like this, right? Like the crescent moon. So Shivji also keeps the moon. Chandrasekhar. He keeps the moon in his jata. So Shivji keeps the moon on his head, but Thakurji decide, look, I love the moon. Why? Because he belongs to the Chandravansh, Luna dynasty. When he comes as Shri Ram, he is Surya Vanshi. He belongs to the Sun dynasty. But when he comes as Shri Krishna, same Lord, the dynasty he belongs is called Chandravanshi, the Luna dynasty. So the moon is very dear to him. So Thakurji doesn't want to keep it in the head, he keeps it close to his heart. Hriday mein, around his neck, but close to his heart, because the moon is very dear to him. That it is the claw, the nail of the tiger, but it's shaped like the moon. It looks like the moon, the crescent moon. So Thakurji keeps it very close to his heart. And he doesn't like the poison. So he keeps the poison far away from on top of on the crown of his head, not even in the hair, but in the morpunk. Outside, bahar. You don't like something, go outside. So Thakurji keeps poison far away. As long as we have poison in us, we cannot get close to Thakurji. Everything has a philosophy. Time won't allow me to go in detail, but it's a deep philosophy. Thakurji does not like poison. Shri Krishna doesn't like poison. Poison, greed, anger, jealousy, hatred, lust. If we want to get close to Radha Krishna, we want to get close to Thakurji, then we have to take this poison out. Nirmala man jan so mohi pava, mohi kapat chal chidna bhava. Shri Krishna says, pure heart, pure mind. I cannot tolerate deception, deceit, fraud, poison. Nikaldo, Pengdo. So Thakurji, you see, there's a reason for everything. That's why he keeps the poison up here, far away. And he keeps the crescent, the moon has nectar. Moon has nectar, purity, is pure, sweet, love, prem. When we love Thakurji, we love Shri Krishna, we'll go close to his heart. He'll keep us close to his heart. showing us that those who love me, things that are dear to me, will get close to my heart. So he keeps that, that's why he keeps that very close, and he keeps the poison far away. Next thing, Jani Kripalu Digambar Shankar Darapat Madana Nihar. Now, Thakurji is also naked. He's a little boy. Little children, long ago we never walk close. We had no shame. As we started growing up, then, you getting big and you walk in naked? Put on some clothes. So this was instilled in us that it's not good to walk naked. But little child doesn't know. They run everywhere. No clothes, they don't have any problem. So Shivji also is called Digambar. Digambar means one without clothes. Doesn't wear any clothes. So Thakurji is naked. He is dancing. That sight is so beautiful. Naked Kanhaiya. And there's a guy called Madan. Madan is Kamdev. When Parvati was doing tapasya, after she had thrown herself in the fire as Sati, she came back as Parvati, the daughter of King Himalaya, the mountain king. And she was doing tapasya. So the gods became impatient. They had to have a son, Shiva and Parvati, to destroy a Rakshas. And how is they going if they don't get married? If Shivji doesn't get married to Parvati, how are they going to have this son? This child. So they got impatient. You see, we have to have patience. When you rush and you try to get something too quickly, if you don't have patience, you're going to lose everything. So the gods got impatient and they sent Kamdev, the god of love. Shankar Bhagavan was sitting in Samadhi on Mount Kailash. And Kamdev shut him with an arrow of love, that he will wake up and fall in love with Sati, with Parvati, and get married. When he disturbed Shivji from his Samadhi, Shivji opened the third eye. His third eye, that's one thing Shivji has, third eye, and he burnt Kamdev to ashes. So one name is also Anang, one without a body. Anang. So he was burnt to ashes. So now seeing Thakurji with all this thing looking like Shivji, naked Shivji and white from head to toe, with all and dancing the Tandav Nritya, he thought this is Shivji again. And so Kamdev became very scared, Kripalu Mahaprabhu is saying.
निरतत नंद कुमार नंद घर निरतत
नंद कुमार नंद घर
निरतत नंद कुमार नंद घर
निरतत नंद कुमार नंद घर
जनी कृपालु दिगंबर शंकर
जानी कृपालु दिगंबर शंकर
ओ जानी कृपालु दिगंबर शंकर घर
गणपत मदन निहार नंद घर
हो निरतत निरतत नंद कुमार नंद घर
नंद कुमार नंद घर
ओ बाल गोपाल की
जय।
शंकर भगवान की हर हर महादेव जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे।